Today we're in Riga, Latvia, and we're taking a tour of the Old Town. We met our tour group next to St. Peter's Church, which is a Lutheran church that was built in 1209 and is probably the most famous church in Riga. Behind it is a church that's not as pretty, but has a wild story. Apparently, there were two monks who wanted to become saints, so they told the church to build a room in the church with no doors and have them stay inside it forever, and the churchgoers would bring them food and water. They claimed this would allow them to get closer to God because they would have nothing to do but study and pray. Eventually, the two men left. It's not known if the church let them out or if they died, but eventually the room was empty. Their memory was still left on the church by these two faces that were built into the side. Next, we came to the House of the Blackheads, which was the building for a secret society that was built in the 14th century. To join the secret society, you had to be rich, single, celibate, and have no children. This was their clubhouse, and they would make secret financial dealings here. It is unknown if the secret society still exists. After that, we came to the Three Brothers, which is the oldest complex of dwelling houses in Riga. There were some musicians playing in front of it. Finally, we came to the famous cat house of Riga. It was owned by a rich man who originally wanted the cat's backsides to face the Great Guild across the street because he had a grudge against its members, but the government ordered that he turn the cats back around.